Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RamaeInc, and thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. So in today's video, we are actually going to be looking at some luxury high-rise apartments in Atlanta. Okay, so if you're interested in watching this apartment hunt video, stay tuned. I'm super excited. And yeah, I don't want to make this intro too long. I want to just go ahead and show you guys what all I'm looking at. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I am going to look at places with my best friend Alyssa. She's about to come over. She is late. It is 12:30. 12:30. She's supposed to be here at 12, and she only stayed 5 minutes away. Friend. So yeah, just waiting on her. Ooh, can we zoom out a little bit? Just waiting on her to come. I'm super excited to look at these places. All right, so I got my camera, my wallet, my phone, my keys, my gloves. I'm good to go. Look here. She's gonna try to walk in. You and me? You know what I'm saying? The sneakers on the heels. Okay.
This is a mail area for all of our residents. We only have 147 apartments here, so we're a fairly small community, like half the size of most communities out there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Come on in.
Nice. This is
I always like taking for it. You kind of compare and, you know, to what you have, make sure everything fits. But this would be like your secondary bedroom and bathroom. Which has a main room.
This is really cute. This is like a real office. I love this kitchen.
So
oh my gosh.
Front cabinet.
Yes, I love the overall black, white, and gray detail of the place, because that's where I kind of stick with.
Yeah.
But
kind of a neutral palette that you do.
Yeah, I love it.
But yeah, that would be the bathroom.
Really
That's a king size bed displayed in the room.
Okay.
Then you still get a little bench.
Oh my gosh. This bathtub.
That bathtub is everything.
Oh my
That is
gosh.
like my dream bathroom. So these will start off at around 34 and kind of go from there.
You guys, I am in love with this place. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Look at this bathtub. Like, look at this bathtub. It is so cute. I love the separate shower. This closet already has built-ins, which is really nice. The entire place has the perfect color palette that I'm looking for. Nice windows. Really cute.
Because the other floor plan, they're all occupied at the moment, and there's a possibility of some coming available. It's slightly larger.
Okay.
So if you know you're good with this, and the price point's right around the same.
Okay.
So if you like this, I'm sure you'll like that size.
What's the price point for this one?
So for this one, starts off at about 34. But what I was just saying is that during the spring, summertime is when everything gets a little bit more competitive, and I didn't want to quote that exactly. That's just kind of what the market rate is.
But this is big enough to have guests without it feeling like
Too small? I like this little balcony. Ooh, what's up? This is really nice. Oh my gosh. Alyssa.
So here's your higher up views from that.
This is breathtaking. This is all for location number 1. Overall, I loved just the about everything about this place. So yeah, this place hands down gets a 10 out of 10 from me. So let's go ahead and check out our next location. Thank you. Yes, ooh, I like that bathroom. Ooh. Oh, this is really cute.
Yeah, I like this one. The way they have it set up.
Yeah. All right, you guys, so this building is a little bit smaller in size. However, the view is absolutely amazing. It almost feels like you're standing at the edge of like a ledge or something. I don't even know how else to really describe it, but I love the floor plan. It is unique. And I also like the bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom place that I'm showing you guys. They also showed me their gym and their pool and outdoor area and all that other good stuff. Ooh, Liz, look. Look at that. Golf. Hold on, wait. Okay, look at it. Alright, you guys, so I don't know if I've mentioned this already, but all the places that I showed you guys were in the Midtown Atlanta area. So if you're interested in moving, I do recommend these places. Also, comment down below and let me know which one was you guys' favorite. It is 3 options on this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this in the comment section down below. The thumbnail. This is so, this, I like, yeah, I was just about to say the same thing.
Our pool area.
Very
our pool
cozy.
Is saltwater.
Okay.
So yay for our skin, for hair. It's 24 hours.
Okay.
And you're more than welcome to rent it out as well if you decided you wanted to host something. We have a lot of resident events here. So we had like a brunch and we have mimosas and everything for our residents the other weekends.
This is so cute.
Oh, I know.
That is so nice.
Isn't it nice that they sectioned it off and it's like a little separate nook?
Yes. Okay.
Got nice little water features that make that white noise. So it's super peaceful.
Yeah.
Y'all calm down.
Okay. Okay. Nice little nook. Oh my gosh, Alyssa. This right here. This is nice.
Yeah.
Okay, closets. I got the bathtub. Okay. Oh my gosh, girl. Okay. Okay. This is really, really cute. Yeah, that is really cute. I like the angle of the room. This is nice. This is another nice size closet. You love? I know. This is so nice, Alyssa. Alright, you guys, so I'm in the same building. However, she just wanted to show me a different floor plan for a more affordable price. So that is what we're about to look at right now. Oh, I really like this one too.
Yeah, this is like totally different.
It is.
A bit more homey, I would say.
Yeah, I get that.
You get so much light. The sun rises over this place, so you get like the whole day, afternoon. And I kind of love the doors on here. And it leads all the way through, so they're not separate closets. It actually goes all the way through, so you get a lot of closets.
Okay.
Which is nice. Sometimes they cut it off.
This is nice. This is really nice.
Yes.
Bathroom. Shower. This is a really big closet. Alright, you guys, my camera's about to die. I don't know where I'll be able to end this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which one was your favorite down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.